Hi everybody, Vickyville here, and I wanted to share with you a really fun haul from Social Paper Plan. So cute. If you want to see any of her awesome paper goods, there is how to find her. And let's go ahead and dive right in. So first off, I got some stamp sets and they are so cute and I'm going to open them. I've been waiting to post with you. I'm so excited because you know that I am a Disney fanatic. And so, oopsie, this set is going to be perfect for all of my Christmas Disney pictures and how I memory keep them. And look at how cute. Do you see the Mickey and the Minnie, and then there's Joy, and that's Epcot, and then Joy to the World, and there's like a little mini mug, and it says home, and then the Princess Castle with like kind of Christmas flair, a nutcracker, and what fun it is to ride, and then that's like the little from It's a Small World, and then there's a teacup, a bows, and yeah, it's just so cute. And I cannot wait to use that. So cute. Oh, I was like looking the wrong way. Okay, it's a reindeer. I was like, what is that? Looking at it from upside down, but just so cute. So yes, this is the first set that I love. Okay. And then all her stamps come in these really cute little glycine bags with a sticker. And I love the size of them because they're perfect for my planner. Oh, this isn't a stamp. It's a die. Okay, so this is a nutcracker die. And I probably should have made a example, but I really wanted to get this video so you guys can get your hands on it because I don't want it to sell out. And I'm really not actually sure if it has already. It may have. And if so, I absolutely apologize. Okay, and so here's another die. I had shared with you, I think this is the one, no, this is the Mickey die. So a couple weeks back, I had got the mini die and I made, so there's a Mickey and there's a Minnie. And I had made these little embellishments with that cute little mini die. Aren't they so cute? So now I can do some mini embellishments or tags, or you could just decorate your scrapbook with them. Just so cute. And they'll be perfect for all my Disney needs. And then the last die I got was this awesome die. Now, when I looked at it, I thought, oh, snowflakes, awesome, I love it. But then when I look closer, in the center, y'all, there's the castle. There's a little Mickey, like a little Mickey head. And then look at the little Mickey snowflake. Is that just not the cutest? And the Mickey snowflakes around. How cute is that going to be in my different projects? So, yes, that's a must-have. Okay. Then oopsie, sorry, didn't mean to shake you. Got this awesome paper pad. It's called Oh What Fun It Is to Ride. And this is a new size for her. She went with the 6 by 8.5. And it's perfect for all of us that, work in our traveler's notebooks or in our planners. And it's a perfect size. But also, I love when the images are scaled down. So you could still use it for, card making. And when I first saw this, I'm like, is that a typo? Let it snow. But when you're on Main Street and during Christmas, they snow, but it's like made out of soap, so it's Snope. So I thought that was such a cute play on words. And yeah, the papers are just adorable. I love the colors, the blues, the turquoise, the pinks, and the greens. I love it. Love it, love it. Definitely need to copy and print my decor pics and then do my little memories scrapbook of my house decor using these awesome papers. So this is Oh What Fun It Is to Ride, and those are all of the different papers. So super fun. I love that one. And then this, I think, I'm not sure if I showed this already, but if not, it is just so pretty. This one is called Christmas Wishes. And I know she has ephemera that goes with this. I'm going to have to get that if it's not sold out. But I love these colors. They're so different and really beautiful. And just so pretty. It's kind of like, I want to say like salmon and sky blue. And what color? Maybe like a burnt umber. And yeah, it's really beautiful. See how pretty that is? So rad. I love it. The reindeer, so cute. So that is another awesome paper pad that is in that, like I said, new size 6 by 8.5. Okay, and then this is perfect because if you follow me, we dressed up at Oogie Boogie Bash at Disneyland as Turning Red. And so this is definitely going to be awesome for all of my pictures when I scrapbook them, and I'll flip through them really quickly. And I thought it was so cute. Oh, my friend Tina was, we all dressed up as characters, my daughter Scarlett and Julia and I, and it was so fun. And everybody at Disneyland, or at California Disney, they kept going, "Oh, Fort Town." And we're like, okay, yeah, they get it. So it's really rad. And this paper is so cute. So if you have like grandchildren or little ones that love this movie, and and you take a picture with them with their stuffed animals or something, this is like the perfect paper to coincide with that for your scrapbooks and all that. And what's perfect, let me show you, let me get it really fast. I found this at Barnes and Noble, and so I'm going to have my friend Tina teach me how to, like unbind it, and then use this book as my, I guess, memory keeping or junk journal. So I'll definitely be able to combine these two things for my pictures that I have of us as Turning Red at Oogie Boogie Bash this year. So that will be so cool. And then I also found, this is off track, but I also found this fashion book, and I thought I should copy some of my different outfits of the day and add it to this, and one of my kids could keep that as a memory of their crazy and wild mom. Because I love her. If you don't know her, she's amazing in fashion, and yeah, she's like 100 years old and still dresses to the nines every single day. So I love her. Okay, that's off track, but okay. And then last but not least, you guys, this is so cool. She has Social Paper Plant has Harry Potter Christmas. Can you believe that? That is so cool. So let me flip through these really fast. Oh my gosh, there's Harry and a Christmas tree. Look at that. Is that not so cool? It's Hermione. And the colors are perfect. So neato. And I definitely have pictures. I may not have gone to Universal or Harry Potter World at Christmas, but you know what? I'm going to use this paper anyways. Dobby is a free elf. So cute. Yes, this will be perfect for all of our pictures that we take. And then I may need to take a little excursions just so I could, to Universal here in LA, just so I could utilize these awesome papers. Merry Christmas, Muggles. That is so cute. So that is awesome as well. And those are all the different paper options. And that's called Harry Christmas. And 6 by 8.5. And then, you guys, she also made ephemera. Ephemera is my favorite. You know that. And those are all the different options that are in the ephemera pack that can go with the paper. And oh my gosh, how cute is that? So yes, you're going to want to go on Social Paper Plan. I hope nothing is sold. I mean, I hope it's sold out just because that's awesome, but I hope there's some still available. That's why I wanted to tell you guys about it, so that you can get your Christmas gifts, and maybe this is some ideas for shopping small business. So thank you for being here, you guys, and have a wonderful day. Remember, your girl loves you. Keep it crafty. Bye.